Hello everybody, this is my first YouTube video. As you can see, I am nervous. So please comment in the comment box saying on which aspects I have to improve. So today what I will be doing is, I will be unboxing a new Wakefit mattress. And this is a 5-inch memory foam orthopedic queen size mattress. And the funniest part here is, can you ever believe that a memory foam 5-inch mattress can be packed in such a small package? I was also on the same page. So when the package was delivered to me through FedEx, I was like, what the? So I called up the customer care guy and told him the scenario. So he told, you don't need to worry, you just unpack it and keep it. This is a compressed package. You just need to unpack it and keep it for 5 minutes. It will get into shape. 95% it will get into shape in 5 minutes, or otherwise hardly it will take maximum 24 hours. So let's see, let's unpack and see. Okay, so this is a tax invoice. This is a tax invoice. Let me keep aside. Okay, so I will. This is a little bit heavy. I will open so you can see the inside how it looks like. Let me open from the other side. Okay, cool. So this is the one, as the guy told, this is a super compressed one, memory foam wala. Let's take it out. It's a bit heavy, man. Keep the cardboard on the side. Oh, they had kept a plastic knife inside the box to cut the whole thing away. So let's cut it off. So I just need to put it here. Okay, so one of the things has been removed, so it looks like it's taking shape. Let's see. So this grayish part has to be upside down. This should come in the bottom side, and the foam one, the white part, comes on the top side. So let me put it upside down, and here comes the actual mattress side where you have to sleep. And as you can see, this comes with the zip, so it's somewhere here. So the actual mattress is inside. Actual mattress is inside. Let me close it.